in my network marketing business, what happened was I reached a level of success. It took me a long time to reach this level, a long time, a lot of failure, a lot of struggle. This was like my Mount Everest. I climbed for years to reach the rank of 5-star diamond. This was in our company seen as like this huge big deal. We got invited to a private Facebook group with our CEO. We got to walk on stage. We got these quarterly higher quarterly bonuses. Like it was a big deal. We got all these like special privileges. And after I reached that goal, it was incredible. It was amazing. It was so exciting. I got like all these congratulations and all this stuff. And then I remained stuck and my business actually started to go downhill. And why is that? It's because I didn't have a what's next. Hey, Kenya. I didn't have that next goal that I was striving towards. I hit this like massive mountain that I wanted to achieve, and then I just kind of got stagnant. And so in order to grow, you have to focus on that momentum, and either your business is growing or it's dying. And it's so important. Good thing I learned this lesson a long time ago. You can never get comfortable or complacent ever. And you always have to have a what's next. And so I want to hear from you. What is your next goal that you're striving towards? If you don't have one, you need one. And you need to make sure that you're joining the Infinite Growth Challenge that's starting in 2 weeks. 2 weeks.